Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl. So guys, this army boy is just everywhere. I say make I come and gist my own pepper, you get. So there's this news I've been circulating about Ivy P-Square, one of the P-Square's girl being pregnant. And if you look at the video, it be like say they know they lie you. I've been at my eyes. Her belly dey like person wey get belle. Do you get like somebody who is pregnant? So that's the news that has been going around. And if you look at the video, you see the comments of people, congratulations in advance of her getting pregnant. You know, as long as you're into this entertainment world, just know that everything about you will be there. So why did I bring this up? Paul P-Square and his ex-wife celebrated their son's birthday, obviously that it was everywhere in the media. Then Ivy Zenny decided to post this previous video that we just saw, baby bomb. So people were just all over her because of that video, that why can't she wait because they're celebrating their son's birthday, blah blah blah. Do you get? And this Ivy Zenny, which is Ifoma by name, and Paul P-Square's relationship just became obvious last year, if I'm not mistaken. And in this particular video now, the ex-wife is the one on the left, while Ivy Zenny is the one on the right. Do you get? So during the Christmas season, I saw her, flaunt this ring, like an engagement ring or so, where she was dancing, meaning that maybe she might have had secret wedding or maybe probably engaged to get married. So she got bashed because of this whole situation, like making her feel like she's a homebreaker or a homewrecker, whichever word that suits you. Do you get? People were just into her matter and was just everywhere shouting she should leave Paul's home, that they look peaceful, looking at the video they did when their son had a birthday. Do you get? So, but this girl came out to give them the information about her not being the problem to Paul's divorce or issues they have. Even people actually accuse her that she was once in Paul's video that made them to be sure that she's the one that scattered the whole marriage. So if you look at what she wrote, she said that she wants to set things straight, that she is not the problem, that she met Paul when he was seriously single, that is, maybe he has been divorced, that she's not an obanje to scatter people's home, and then anybody can choose to believe or circulate what they want. That person is a witch. So guys, I don't really know how people came to that assumption, but I don't know what, because from the root of what caused the divorce of Paul P-Square and his wife, I think she made mention of Paul not having his time, and they don't really consummate much as married people. Like, I think she has some part of Paul missing in her, and they now had to divorce. We didn't really hear the part of Paul's story. That was what we had back then. And then this Ivy now came into picture. But looking at that previous video in the beginning, you find out that there are some changes in the girl actually. I think she's actually pregnant, if you ask me, because that is not someone being bloated or maybe overeating. But whatever it is, it's her life. That's what I want people to understand. It is her life and her choice. And she said she met this man when he was actually divorced. Do you get? So people were like, okay, if she's divorced, if the man is divorced, whatever that made the first one to go, she obviously wait and enjoy. It is not your marriage. It is her own marriage. So allow her to do that in peace. If that's what she wants, let her enjoy it alone. So I don't see reason why people, because they are in entertainment world and most of their private life will no longer be private, they'll have to, talk about it. Do you get? Because she's pregnant, or she may be allegedly pregnant, that doesn't make her not to stop posting. She had to keep posting because probably she's also an influencer. Do you get? So she may be influencing people's stuffs. So guys, what do you really think? Do you think she's pregnant, or do you think it's just a bloated tummy? Because me, even if it's pregnant or bloated, though, I'm okay with that. And obviously not my headache. Well, the part that it is my business is that we are here to give you the gist and we are here to dilute it. So to me, I see nothing wrong with that. It's her own life. And if you watched to this point, thank you guys so much. If you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. See you guys in my next video. Bye.